a large family of adopted children who fill every corner of the house.
I've got 14 children. 3 of them are orphans from the AIDS epidemic, which is affecting both mother and father abroad.
She makes sure that no part of their upbringing
terbesar nomor 2 di dunia, yaitu di negeri Bangkok.
Anda juga bisa menikmati fasilitas fitness dan kolam renang yang sengaja kami hadirkan untuk kebugaran Anda. Dengan alat fitness terbaik dan kolam renang segar, bisa Anda nikmati hanya di Simalungun City Hotel. Berbagai fasilitas lainnya pun kami sediakan. Ruang aula besar dan adalah kebahagiaan kami.
Father love that they're supposed to get. Nurture them in such a way that they are groomed for the future. We've lost a high number of teachers, nurses, school children, farm workers, even minors. We come back from Johannesburg as corpses all just about to die. I think it would be much easier if we can get the retroviral drugs free of charge. Because when I weigh the expenses of looking after orphans with no breadwinner and then getting the drug, I think getting the drug is not, it will make a big difference.
Until recently, Sister Abigail's small town had no undertakers. Now it has 4.
To treat one patient for a year with antiretrovirals using what we call the triple treatment or the cocktail, 3 drugs, which we consider scientifically the best, was costing us more than 70,000 rand per year, or 7,000 pounds. We have 4 million people who are infected. So if you would treat all 4 million, the South African government would have to fork out 28 billion pounds.
28 billion pounds would be 10 times the total cost of South Africa's annual health budget. In 1997, South Africa tried to pass a law which would allow it to produce generic drugs and so have treatments that afford. The pharmaceutical companies condemned this as piracy. They said it would violate patents and so undermine their profits. They intervened directly and sued. South Africa was threatened with trade sanctions. The trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights, the TRIPS agreement as it's known, allows member countries of the World Trade Organization access to cheaper drugs. Article 31 of TRIPS says that in a national emergency or other circumstances of extreme urgency,
that is difficult for us, but we have to do. DDI is so expensive in Thailand. And
Bristol Myers Squibb has said repeatedly that, why do we fight for DDI? Is this available? Well, yes, it's available if you can afford it.
Bristol